Hello children, welcome to the social class. So today I am here to explain you a new topic that is all about keeping healthy. Okay, now let's start our lesson with the mind opener here. Now let us see. Suppose you do not brush your teeth or have a bath for many days. What do you think will happen? So suppose if you won't brush your teeth for many days and if you won't do bath for many days, what happens? So your teeth will become totally dirty, right? It becomes yellow and you'll get a lot of dirty stink from your mouth. Okay, so you won't look good, you look very bad and unhealthy. Okay, see, if you are healthy, we will not feel ill easily, we will be strong. To be healthy and strong, we must follow these rules. So if we want to be healthy and strong, okay, we have to be healthy. Okay, if we want to be strong, we have to be healthy. To be healthy and strong, we must follow some rules. Okay, to be healthy and strong, we need to follow some rules. We have to take good care of our health and all. So now let us see how we can keep our health strong. Okay, now healthy food. We must eat healthy and clean food. Healthy food helps us to grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It helps us fight against diseases. The food we eat and the water we drink must be clean. So eating fresh and clean food will make our body healthy. So we must eat healthy and clean food. Okay, we should not eat any junk food. Okay, which makes us ill health. Okay, which spoils our health. Healthy food helps us to grow. So when you take a good intake of the healthy food, it helps in growth and it gives us lot of energy to do work and to play. It helps us fight against the diseases. So when you take an healthy food, it fight against the diseases. The food we eat and the water we drink must be clean. So whatever the food you are eating and whatever the water you are drinking, that must be clean and neat. Okay, here next, not only taking a good food and all, we should also do some exercise. Okay, exercise is also one of an important factor to be healthy and strong. Play and exercise. We must exercise daily. Running, playing games, cycling and swimming are good exercise. So exercise make us strong. Okay. Beside eating a healthy food and all, we should also do exercise like running, playing games, okay, cycling and swimming are some of the good exercises that we can do, and exercise makes us strong here. Next, rest. So we should also need some rest. We do a lot of work in our day to day life. Yes, so we must rest every day. After doing work all day, our body gets tired. See, you wake up early in the morning, you come to school, you learn, you play. Again in the evening, you feel very tired. Okay, so what you have to do? We must rest. We should take some rest every day. After doing work all the day, our body gets tired. Our body feels very weak, children. Okay, so the body needs some rest. Yes or no? So sleep gives our body rest. We must sleep for at least 8 hours. We must sleep early and get up early. So how much hours we have to sleep? 8 hours. Okay, our body needs rest, right? So we have to sleep at least for 8 hours. We must sleep early and get up early soon. Okay, we have to sleep as soon as possible and get up early in the morning. Okay, now let us see some of the clean habits which we have to follow. So we must keep ourselves clean. Okay, we have to keep our body neat and clean. If our body is dirty, we will fall ill very easily. So if our body is very ill, okay, if our body is very dirty, we easily get some diseases, we get some fever and we feel ill. We must have a bath every day. So we have to take our bath to clean our body. We have to do bath daily. Next clean habits is we must brush our teeth in the morning and night. So we have to brush, we have to clean our teeth not only in the morning but also in the night. Okay, right. We must clean and comb our hair regularly. Our nails must be clean, they must be cut short. So not only with the bath and brushing our teeth, we should also clean our hair and we should also comb it regularly. So, and you should also cut your nails very short. We must wear clean clothes. So you have to wear clean clothes, children. Okay, the dirty clothes, if you wear a dirty clothes, it makes you look bad. We must wash our hands before and after each meal. So everybody knows that. Okay, so it is very important for you people to wash your hands before and after meal. So these are some of the clean habits, okay, that you have to follow. Okay, children. Thank you.